Hello, everyone. Toni Ghazi here. How are you? The Praying Mantis channel and the Antarian Heart. I would like to invite you to a presentation on stage that I'm doing and a workshop from January 3rd to the 5th in Sedona, Arizona, called the Channel Panel with Bashar, Rob Gauthier, Jamye Price. I'll show you a quick photo. All these amazing people, and Debbi Dachinger, and a few other amazing channels to begin the new year. Imagine beginning your new year with new activations, new sound of who you are, new energy, new version of you that is about to step into this 3D world and restructure the matrix, empower yourself in so many ways. So, I have a workshop on Friday at 12:15 p.m., January the 3rd, where I'll bring in the praying mantis beings. They can answer some questions. They can answer like your questions, but also like we'll be doing an awesome workshop with sound. I'm not going to give a lot of information, but let's say it will be a surprise that it will push your being, it will push your ego into places that is uncomfortable to allow you to hear yourself for the first time as the divine being that you are. And just through the act of the sound itself, it will activate parts within you to begin seeing, feeling, hearing clearer who you are. An amazing workshop that will leave you changed, I will say, because also part of it is all the praying mantis energies that they will bring through, the messages, the activations within the messages will be out of this world. The workshop is called Surrender into the Knowledge Within You and Awaken Your Ascended Mastery into Existence. And it doesn't take long to do that, guys. So I would love for you to be there. That you have to be there physical at like the event. Also, I'll be speaking on stage and I'll be channeling the praying mantis like live on the big stage with Bashar. The stage will fit. I'm sorry. The like the whole auditorium will fit around 800 people. So it's my first time on a big stage like that. I'm very excited. I would be an honor and a privilege to have you there if you can attend physically. Now, there are online tickets that you could buy, and like the link is under like this video, where you can buy the online ticket, and you'll have access to all of the channelings that are happening on the big stage. Unfortunately, you won't have access to like the workshops because they're not recorded and like streamed live. Okay, but if you're able to come in person, it would be an absolute pleasure to have you there with an open arm. Either way, whether you're there in person, in spirit, if you cannot attend at all, or online, it would mean the world. And I love you, and Happy New Year, and come to the channel panel, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye, guys.